Areas?
Interfacing and integration. Connections with other equipment. 15.1. ECD should not degrade the performance of any equipment providing sensor inputs, nor should the connection of optional equipment degrade the performance of ECDs below the standard. So ECDs should not degrade other equipments and their performance such as the GPS, the echosonder or the speed and distance measuring devices. And the and those equipment should not also degrade the performance of ECDs. ECD should be connected to the ship's position fixing system, to the gyro compass and the speed and distance measuring device. For ships not fitted with gyro compass, ECD should be connected to a marine transmitting heading device. So ECD should be connected to this equipment in order to perform efficiently. ECDs may provide means to supply system database information to external equipment. So ECDs should provide a means to supply system database information. Power supply. It should be possible to operate ECDs in all equipment necessary for its normal functioning when supplied by an emergency source of electrical power in accordance with appropriate requirements for SOLAS Chapter 2.1. So this means that ECDs should function normally with an emergency source of electrical power when main power supply is not fitted or available. Changing from one source of supply to another or any interruption of supply for a period of up to 45 seconds should not require the equipment to be manually reinitialized. So when the power supply is out, it should not be manually reinitialized. That is all for my report. Thank you for listening.